will be the laughing king in the forest? The Lion King's announcement. The Lion King stood in a serious manner, then suddenly, unable to control his laughter, he rolled over and said, "Ha ha, listen, forest dwellers, I called today's meeting for one reason only. Our forest has become much more serious. The deer runs away in fear, the fox acts cunningly, the tiger roars, the monkey jumps, but no one has a real smile on their face. So from today on, there will be a laughing contest. Whoever laughs, laughs so hard that someone will roll over, someone will take off their clothes, someone will get wet in the water, and someone will make a ha ha ha." Fox sure. A fox came on stage and puffed up his chest and said, "I am a trickster, but I will also be the king of laughter. One day I went to the market and said to the shopkeeper, 'Brother, give me a kilo of fish.' He said, 'Which fish do you want?' I said, 'The one that my wife will not quarrel with if I eat it.' Immediately he gave me a mirror and said, 'Here, show your face to your wife, she will forget the quarrel while laughing.' Another time I went to the market to buy a kilo of grass. The shopkeeper was surprised and said, 'Are you going to eat grass like a fox?' I replied, 'No brother, not to eat, you have to bribe the donkey.' On hearing this, the elephant laughed so much that he stood up and threw the grass away. As soon as the smell spread, the monkey climbed a tree and held his nose, and everyone died laughing. Monkey's bang. The monkey climbed a tree, held a banana in his hand and said in a big way, "Listen, listen, I am the real king of laughter. One day, I entered a human wedding, went between the bride and groom, bared my teeth and said, 'Cheese.' The photographer took the picture, and the picture read, 'The groom is a monkey, the bride is a human.' Everyone laughed, the deer jumped into the muddy water again and got wet. The monkey said again, 'The other day, while eating a banana, I farted in such a way that the sound was thump thump thump.' The elephant shouted, 'Earthquake.' The Lion King climbed a tree and hung himself. Then everyone named it, Padmi Camp. Everyone laughed so much and ate lutoputi. The fox held his stomach and said, 'Stop laughing, my stomach is shaking.' And the monkey himself really threw up his pants while laughing. Tiger's attempt. The tiger said in a serious tone, 'I scare you, but today I will laugh. Once I told the donkey, I will eat you. The donkey replied, 'Eat, but brush your teeth first.' Another time I told the fox, 'If I eat you, I will not be able to digest it.' The fox said, 'Because I am clever, if you eat me, you will be clever in your stomach.' Everyone laughed again. The monkey was flailing his arms and legs, the elephant was jumping into the pond again and getting wet, the tiger was biting his tail in shame. Donkey's great show. The donkey puffed out his chest and said, 'Listen, listen, I will be the real king of laughter. First I sang, remembering those days, when I used to eat grass. My wife used to beat me with a stick. She would also say, 'You are my dear brother.' On hearing this song, the elephant rolled over, making a gurgling sound in his stomach. The monkey fell over and said, 'Oh God, I can't take it anymore.' The deer jumped into the muddy water again. The donkey said again, 'I wrote a love letter. Dear wife, you are the flower of my grass. You are the fragrance of my dung. You are the melody of my lotus feet.' After reading the letter, the wife beat me with a stick. I shouted, 'Ah, I got a kick from love.' This time the whole forest laughed together so much that the Lion King's own pants came off, the monkey threw the ribbon again, the elephant got wet in the water and made a loud noise, dham dham dham. And everyone rolled on the ground, holding their bellies. Game. The Lion King held his shirt and pants to catch his breath and said, "Stop, stop, I can't take it anymore. My pants are torn, the monkey's belt is out, the elephant is soaked in water, the deer has fallen in the mud 3 times. The real champion of today's great laughter competition is the donkey." Everyone shouted together, "Hip hip hooray! The king of laughter is the donkey." From then on, it became a rule in the forest. If the donkey's song and funny stories are not heard every day, the air in the forest will become heavy.